First session we have discussed about the sequence, limit of the sequence, convergence of the sequence. In second session we have discussed about the infinite series, convergence of the series, divergence of the series, and also discussed the sixth test of the convergence. In third session we are considering alternating pattern of the series and applying Leibniz theorem. Also discuss about the absolute and conditional convergence. In this session, we are discuss about the power series. So, first of all, what is a power series? Power series is infinite polynomial in X. If we are taking summation n equal to 0 to infinite Cn x raised to n equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2x square up to Cn x raised to n, this is the power series with the center x equal to 0. If we are taking generalized form, summation n equal to 0 to infinite Cn x minus a raised to n equal to C0 plus C1 x minus a up to Cn x minus a raised to n. This is the power series at center x equal to a. So this is a basic generalized notation of the power series. Now we are taking an example of the power series. First, if we are taking summation n equal to 0 to infinite x raised to n upon n factorial equal to 1 plus x square by 2 up to x cube by 3 factorial. So this is the power series example with the center x equal to 0. Now second one example is minus 1 raised to n 3 raised to n x plus 1 raised to n equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 x plus 1 by 9 x plus 1 whole square minus 1 upon 3 raised to n x plus 1 raised to n. This is the power series with the center x equal to minus 1. Okay. Now convergence of the power series. There are total 3 possibilities. First one is if we are existing a positive number r such that series is converged for modulus of x minus a greater than r, but converge for the modulus of x minus a less than r. The series may or not may converge, that means x equal to a minus r and x equal to a plus r. Okay. The series converges for the every x and the series converges at x equal to a and diverge elsewhere. Now, radius and interval of the convergence. Interval. An interval in which power series converge is called interval of convergence, and the half length of the interval is called radius of the convergence. Second, if a power series is convergent for the all value of x, then interval of convergence will be open interval minus infinity to infinity and radius of convergence will be infinity. For the find the convergence of the power series, we are applying ratio or root ratio. So step is first, if you are applying ratio or root test for the interval of convergence, check the convergence with the endpoint, update the interval of convergence and find the radius. So these are the basic steps of the find the convergence of the power series. Now we are taking an example. Check the convergence. X upon 1 into 2 plus x square upon 2 into 3 plus x cube upon 3 into 4. So un is x raised to n upon n plus 1. This is the summation of this series. If we are taking un plus 1 for the ratio test, because we have to apply ratio test. So we are taking un plus 1. Un plus 1 equal to x raised to n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2. Applying ratio test. Limit n tends to infinite modulus un plus 1 upon un. Applying this, we get the limit mod of x. Now, as per the ratio test, mod x is less than 1, then it is convergent. Mod x is greater than 1, then it is divergent. And mod x equal to 1, then we have to discuss about the endpoints. So, if we are taking mod x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 in the series of the un, we get in un equal to 1 raised to n upon n plus 1. We get in Vn is the highest power of 1 upon n square, that is Vn. Applying comparison test, limit n tends to infinite, un by Vn equal to we getting finite limit. So by the p test, p is 2 for the Vn 2 is greater than 1, then Vn is convergent. Then by the comparison test, Un is convergent. Now we are taking for modulus of x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. Then we replacing x equal to minus 1, we are getting alternate series sign. And this is a convergent by the alternate series. So this series is convergent for the x less than equal to 1 and divergent for the x greater than 1. Okay, so this is the first example of the power series. Now, if we are taking second example, show this series is convergent if and only for the interval. We are taking un minus 1 raised to n minus 1, x raised to 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 is the sum of the series. Now, un x raised to 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1, because we are taking absolute value. Due to ratio test, we take un plus 1 equal to x raised to 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1. So applying ratio test, we are getting x square. X square is less than mod of x. Mod of x square is less than mod of x. So this also convergent when mod x square is less than 1. Mod x square is greater than 1, series is divergent. Mod x square equal to 1, then we have to check for the x equal to 1. If we are taking x equal to 1, by the Leibniz test, the series is absolute convergent at the interval and it is conditional convergent of the x less than 1. So this is the second example of the power series. Now find the function. For the find the function for this test is a geometric test. So we are getting r equal to 1 and r equal to minus 1 by 3 x plus 1. First, a is a first number, r is a ratio. Applying geometric ratio, a upon 1 minus r, we are getting 1 plus 1 by 3 x plus 1. So this is 3 by 4 plus x. Now it is depend on x. So find the radius of convergence. What is the radius of convergence? If we are taking r minus 1 by 3 x plus 1, r by the geometric test, it is convergence if it is modulus of r is less than 1. So we are taking modulus of r less than 1. We are getting x interval minus 2 and 4. Now we have to check endpoints convergence. Radius of convergence for this series, and we are getting x equal to minus 2. We take x equal to minus 2. So we get summation n equal to 0 to infinite 1 upon 3 raised to n. And this is the geometric series and it is r less than 1. So this is the convergence. For the x equal to 4, we are replace x equal to 4 in this series. So we get 3 raised to n upon 3 raised to n, it is 1. By the nth term, it is divergence. So interval of convergence is minus 2 less than or equal to x or less than 4. And this series is converge for the minus 2 and diverge for the 4. In next session, we have discussed about the example of the different type of the test.